I'm going to show you how to make Sri Lankan Kottu. Ingredients: ginger garlic paste, finely chopped carrots, just like that, cabbage, and I've got leek and green pepper, chopped onions, 2 eggs, pandan leaf, curry leaves, and Kottu roti. You can buy that in any Asian supermarket, London, Manchester, Birmingham. It's a cut roti. You can buy it in frozen. You need that one, and you need to have a good old you can do the Kottu either chicken or mutton, seafood, whatever you like. So I've got you need to prepare a nice good old chicken curry. So I've got a lovely chicken curry here, or mutton curry. So those are the ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to make a Sri Lankan style Kottu. Wok in oil, onions, stir, add ginger and garlic paste, stirring for about high heat, probably about 50 seconds. 2 eggs, curry leaves and pandan leaves, and I'm going to add some carrot, all the veggies go now, cabbage, and green pepper, leek, salt, give it a good old stir for about maybe 40 seconds on a high heat. After 40 seconds, mix it all together. Now I'm going to add some. I'm going to add the cut roti into that. And mix it proper for about 1 minute on a high heat. After 50 seconds, it's done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some cooked chicken, the chicken curry I showed you earlier. So at the same time, I'm going to add some gravy, chicken gravy. Stir it, continue to stir it for about 1 minute. There you go, job done. Beautiful, lovely jubbly.